How to sand your tires the quick way. The soft pad, the foam, any kind of Menards or Home Depot or shit like that. Not the real coarse kind, but kind of press it in and rub it across and kind of watch it as we go. See, probably, I don't know if I can, but quickest, easiest way. A nice uniform pattern. You don't overdo one spot, underdo another spot, because it's foam. It's like not memory foam, it's like anti-forgiving foam, what do you call it? Doesn't remember nothing. Non-memory foam. Quickest, easiest way. By the time somebody else put some washers on there and put it on a tool and turn it, and it's like, it's never going to be out of balance, or never going to be in perfect balance. It's going to be